Welcome to Fruitful Wellness. Hello and a very warm welcome to all our attendees today. I'm thrilled to guide you through a delicious and enlightening journey, exploring the natural health benefits of some of our favorite fruits. Each fruit we discuss today is not just a treat for the taste buds, but also a boon for our health, backed by science. So let's dive into the world of fruits, uncover their secrets, and learn how to enjoy them in our daily lives. Ready? Let's get started. First, we have the amazing apple. Let's kick things off with the humble apple. Packed with fiber, vitamin C, and various antioxidants, apples are a powerhouse of nutrition. Scientifically speaking, the fiber in apples, particularly pectin, aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Apples can help to keep your teeth clean, and due to their naturally fiber content, they can help aid in maintaining a healthy weight. How can you enjoy apples daily? Think beyond just biting into one. Slice them into oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or bake them with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a healthy dessert. The brilliant banana. Moving on to bananas, rich in potassium, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. They are known for supporting heart health and providing energy boosts. From a scientific viewpoint, potassium helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels, making bananas great for heart health too. Enjoy bananas sliced over cereal, frozen in smoothies, or mashed in banana bread for a healthy treat. The super strawberry. Strawberries, with their high vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants, are not just delicious but also great for your heart. The naturally occurring antioxidants in strawberries, including vitamin C, may help support a healthy immune system and may lower your chances of getting sick when you're around germs. Enjoy them fresh in salads, blended in smoothies, or as a topping on yogurt to reap their benefits. The wonderful watermelon. Watermelon, a hydrating fruit with vitamins A and C, is perfect for hot days. It contains lycopene, an antioxidant linked to maintaining healthy weight levels and keep you hydrated. So eat up. Enjoy watermelon cubes as a refreshing snack, blend them into juices, or add them to salads for a hydrating boost. The charming cherry. Cherries are packed with vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Research shows that cherries can help reduce inflammation and aid in post-exercise recovery. They help to reduce joint pain, and adding a glass of cherry juice to your daily routine is an excellent way to get the great taste and anti-inflammatory benefits of the ruby red fruit. Enjoy cherries fresh, bake them into desserts, or freeze them for a cool snack. The perfect pineapple. Pineapples are not just tropical delights. They're full of vitamins C and B, fiber, and manganese. Bromelain, an enzyme in pineapple, has been shown to aid digestion and reduce inflammation naturally. Add pineapple to stir fries, enjoy it fresh, or grill it for a sweet and savory treat. The cool kiwi. Kiwi is a vitamin C and K powerhouse, with both potassium and antioxidants. Scientific studies suggest that kiwi can support healthy immune function and aid digestion. Slice kiwi into salads, blend it into smoothies, or just eat it as is for a tangy snack. The brilliant blueberry. Blueberries, with their high levels of vitamins C and K, fiber, and antioxidants, are true nutritional gems. They're known for their ability to support a healthy heart and brain function. Science supports their role in maintaining brain health and memory. Toss blueberries into oatmeal, blend them in smoothies, or enjoy them fresh. The gorgeous grape. Grapes are not just for wine. They're rich in vitamins C and K and antioxidants. Resveratrol in grapes is linked to maintaining a healthy heart and longevity. Freeze grapes for a cool treat, add them to salads, or enjoy them fresh off the vine. The outstanding orange. Oranges, famous for their vitamin C content, are great for the immune system. The flavonoids in oranges can also support heart health. Enjoy oranges fresh, squeeze them into juice, or add orange segments to salads for a citrusy punch. The awesome avocado. Avocado, a fruit rich in healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins C, E, K, and B6, supports heart health and vision. The monounsaturated fats in avocados are heart healthy. Spread avocado on toast, blend it into smoothies, or use it to make a creamy salad dressing. Embracing fruity goodness. As we wrap up our journey through the colorful world of fruits, remember that incorporating a variety of them into your diet can offer extensive health benefits. From apples to avocados, each fruit brings its unique flavor and a host of nutritional benefits. We encourage you to experiment with these fruits in your daily meals and explore new and creative ways to enjoy them. Not only will your taste buds thank you, but your body will too, with the wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants these fruits provide. Remember, a fruit-filled diet is a step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's been a pleasure sharing the sweetness and science behind these wonderful fruits. We hope you feel inspired to make fruits a bigger part of your daily diet and explore the delicious and nutritious benefits they offer. Stay healthy, stay curious, and keep enjoying nature's sweetest treasures. If you have any questions or would like to share how you enjoy these fruits in your own life, now's the time. Visit our website, traversebayfarms.com,